Hi. I had some tree work done at my house a week ago, and I had some 70-year-old wires that went to the utility pole, and the insulation had fallen off those. And somehow they managed to take down my power line and my neighbor's. My neighbor's was triflex, and so that didn't really damage anything. But I developed a massive short from these, wires hitting, and must have generated some terrific spikes. My wife came out and said there's smoke in the kitchen, and it took out our microwave and dishwasher. I had a spare dishwasher, so I wasn't too concerned about that. I just threw another one in. Fixed the microwave. Had a clock and a DVD player that went out, and fixed those. And so it's a week later, and my wife says, I'm not getting any ice. And it turns out we also blew up the ice maker. And I checked the back of the GE refrigerator where the control board is. I couldn't find anything wrong with it, so I decided I'd probably take the ice maker out. And it's hard to believe, but an ice maker has a microprocessor in it. But here's what happened is right here, these two connections, those are a mauve, and they had a thin trace going over to the transformer. It was really small, I guess, to act like a fuse, and that opened up, and you can see this terrific burnt spot. It blew up the mauve, and there's some darkness in there. But the transformer is still good. The transformer is about 700 ohms, so it's like hard to really overvoltage that. The microwave and the clock, they both, and the dishwasher, all burned out transformers, so I was lucky with this one. So if you're seeing this video, it means that my little repair worked, and it's all back together. Instead of just doing a jumper, what I did was I have a 4.7 ohm resistor in series with the transformer. It's carbon film, so it might act like a fuse. Who knows? It might just open up because carbon film don't take surges very well, but it's a real low ohm resistance. I've had these where I turn them glow and red and they never change value. But yeah, so if you have problems, you can fix these things. I found out that the control board for the refrigerator, not this one, but the one that controls the main refrigerator, I was quite lucky with that. I probably still could have fixed it, but a replacement is $400. That's like, well, geez, let's get a new fridge. No wonder no one fixes anything anymore. But that's my story. Just kind of interesting. Thought someone would like to see it. Like, again, there's the mauve. Shattered that thing. And, I just put a new one in. This side of the board didn't look too bad. And I covered it with some old clear nail polish. Kind of a conformal coating. And we're good to go. So, thanks for watching.